So whoa, okay. All right, WATERFLY, I see you. Look at this. Look at this big old bag in that smaller bag. What's going on, guys? This video is sponsored by WATERFLY. Now WATERFLY reached out to me and asked me, yo, you want to try out one of our backpacks? I'm like, sure, no problem. If it's for free, then it's for me. You see what I'm saying? So I have an affiliate link. This is the link where you click on it. It'll take you to this website where you can view all of their backpacks. You can see here they have Urban, they have Elite 2. I like this one. I think the one that they sent me is actually this one right here, the WATERFLY Urban Elite Lightweight Cross Bag. You have the WATERFLY Fantasy Light Backpack. You have the WATERFLY Defender Anti-Theft Backpack. So, and you also have the WATERFLY Sport Running 3.0 Belt Backpack. This is like for gym and if you're doing yoga. Yes, you have the WATERFLY Utility Backpack, WATERFLY Transformation X Ultra Light Backpack. Yo guys, they have so many different backpacks. Definitely come check them out. And as you can see, they're all on sale right now. Well, most of them are on sale. Like this one, the WATERFLY Urban Elite, and quite a few of them are on sale. The Urban Elite Trackline Backpack, most of them is on sale. You can see this came from $49 to like 17 bucks. You know what I'm saying? So definitely check them out, and let's just go ahead and do this unboxing and see what ours looks like. What ours comes with. So it's a nice little case, right? This, shout out to WATERFLY. I'm liking the logo bad. Let's open it up. Oh, so this is actually the bag. Yo, I like that. So it's a bag within a bag. I like that. I like that. So whoa, okay. All right, WATERFLY, I see you. Look at this. Look at this big old bag in that smaller bag. I like it. I like the transformation. I like the transformation. I love it. As you can see, this is it right here, and it has so many compartments. I love it. I honestly love it. It's no cap right here, man. I love it. So you can actually fold it up and put it in like a within itself. So it's a bag within a bag. You see what I say? I love this one. Yo, this is amazing. So if you guys want to purchase one of these, click on the link in the description. It'll take you to this website where you can purchase one of the bags. I think this one is, let me look. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see if I can find this particular one that I have. Hold up. Let me see if I can find the one that, I think this is it. Yeah, I think this is it. Yeah, this is the one that I have right here for $23.99. Click on the link. It'll take you to this website where you can purchase one. Yeah, this is definitely one, but this one is in green. So yeah, this would be the one that I have. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is definitely it. Yo, shout out to WATERFLY for today's video. Big up on yourself.